Hey everybody, welcome back to the Crypto Bull Channel with your host, William. Today, hey, we got a good one. Yep, we're talking about DeFi once again. We've been here before. We're going back. Welcome to the Crypto Bull Channel. Oh yeah, let's dive right in. But you know what's coming. Oh yeah, if you are subscribed here or you know because you've watched our videos, if you aren't subscribed, you better subscribe. But if you know, then you know. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't claim to be, never have, never will. So if that's what you're looking for, please go to another channel. And hopefully, guys, if you're smart, then you're going to go to a channel with a licensed professional because it's money and you don't want to lose it. And we're not here to talk about how you're going to lose or gain money. We're here to talk about cool projects in the world of crypto today. And today, that's DeFi. Down in the description, you can find all the links. Everything that's beautiful and good and juicy, that's where it's at. That's also where you're going to find that subscribe button around that area. Click it, touch it, do what you need to make yourself a part of this Crypto Bull Channel family. And click that notification bell so you are notified of all future Crypto Bull Channel content. Oh yeah. Let's talk about DeFi, guys, because it's one of the most reputable brands in the crypto space. That's right. It's backed by the biggest names in the industry, including Binance, Coinbase, OKX, and you know, more than that. Look at them all. Just look at them. They're beautiful. Can you see my mouse? Oh, yeah. So many good, beautiful coins. Or good, beautiful names in the industry right there. That's right. So, with the team, guys, they're angels of over 50 experts building for over 5 years. Guys, their products are trusted by over 3 million users worldwide. That's hardcore stuff right there. This is not a joke. This is not a whimsical, I'm going to be here, I'm going to be gone. These guys are here to stay, and they're hardcore. All right. DeFi's influence is undeniable, guys. They've got endorsements from founders and directors of Binance, Polygon, ZK Sync, and Phantom, to name a few. You can see right there. Having followed closely the DeFi team for years, I can attest to their transformative impact on the cryptocurrency landscape. That's right. That's from John of Binance, former chain director, and you've got the head of DeFi at Polygon. You've got senior vice president of business and operations at Matter Labs. You've got the Phantom co-founder, to name just a few guys. So they are definitely nothing to be trifled with. You've got tons of people talking about them. Good stuff. All right. Yeah. And in their recent conference at DeFi World, guys, in 2024, featured speakers from over 70 tier 1 projects were there, guys. And this isn't just a project leading DeFi. DeFi literally is DeFi. Their domain is DeFi, and their X handle is at DeFi Talk. At DeFi, I'm sorry. Talk about owning the space. Holy cow. That's hardcore. So, yeah, guys, links in the description. If you want to deep dive into some of this stuff that I'm just kind of going to blow past, you want to really figure out more about what's going on, especially at that DeFi world, go ahead and click that link and then dive right in. Oh, yeah. So, guys, DeFi is already listed on 17 major exchanges, including Bybit and KuCoin, more than any other project, guys. So, they are there a lot more than the others, and with backing from Coinbase and Binance directors, could listings on these top tier exchanges be coming soon? It's clearly looking likely for sure. Yeah, so let's talk about X. You can see if you go to X, guys, their pinned tweets. Go ahead and give that a play. Let it run through. Booyah. Oh, yeah. Become pro. Yeah. All right. So we head over to X, and that's what you get. Check out their pinned tweets. Very important. Yeah, that's the pinned one at the top is the one you want to pay attention to. But anything you need to know about, You gotta go here to find out. That's where you're gonna find out, like, from people that are talking about the project. Anybody that knows anything in advance of the project, you're gonna find on X. So definitely keep an eye on them. Now, yeah. So here's where things get exciting. DeFi has announced a huge product release. Check out their pinned tweet. We already did, and it's the highly anticipated. I'm having a tongue twisting moment right here. It's the highly anticipated DeFi AI agent. So we can go here. You can see their vision, their roadmap. This aligns perfectly with the next big narrative in Web3. Everyone from Forbes to major exchanges and VCs says AI agents are the future. You can see here AI agents behind AI meme coin frenzy and agent web explained. And that's Forbes, guys. So they are telling you to look out for that. Look at how AI agent tokens are exploding right now. These tokens are on fire, and I'm incredibly bullish on DeFi AI agent because it's blowing up, guys. And that's why I'm loading up on DeFi tokens myself. This could be one of the most significant opportunities in the market. So guys, click the link below, get in on this, and do your research and do what you need to do. That's right. So let me double down on why DeFi is such a strong buy just for me. DeFi is backed by directors of Coinbase and Binance, like we talked about, making future listings on these platforms a real possibility. The upcoming DeFi AI agents ties to booming market narrative. Look at all the performance of other AI agent tokens, and DeFi has the potential to really outperform them. Let's head on over here to their actual platform. But guys, it's not just about speculation because they've already built a bunch of stuff. So they've got the DeFi scanner, which is right here. This is the ultimate tool for detecting vulnerabilities in DeFi protocols. Super cool. You guys definitely have to play with this stuff. It's really cool. Good stuff. So do the deep dive, click that link, and then come here and play with these tools like DeFi Shield. It's your go-to for safeguarding your assets. And then you've got the security database, the most comprehensive database in DeFi for tracking exploits. And then they have an aggregator too in here. So there's a bunch of stuff going on in this in their stuff, dude. It's already, in their stuff that's already functioning and ready to rock, guys. So yeah, guys, DeFi is where it's at. And if you want to see some more about these tools, we did deep dives into them before. Go ahead and peruse our library until you find our DeFi video, and you will see how to use all this stuff. We went off on it. Really cool stuff, everybody. So this has been my little news flash for you for DeFi. Another little quick dive into them and my review as well of those little tidbits. My name is William. This is the Crypto Bull Channel. You guys are amazing, and you know it. Stay classy, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.